Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I am also doing great.
All right. Uh-huh. Brijesh, is that correct?
Yeah,
Okay. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
yeah, I am from India.
Okay, okay. I'm from the Philippines.
Yeah, I think first time I am talking with Philippines person.
Okay. Yeah, interesting. How long have you been using Cambly now?
I have been using Cambly just for a month.
Okay. And how, have you been liking it so far?
Yeah, it's great because it seems to me that my English is improving.
Great. Are you preparing for anything in particular?
No, I just uh, for personal development and I fond of speaking English. That's why.
Okay. Well, since this is our first time meeting each other, can you tell me a little bit more about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Brijesh Yadav and I completed my post graduation with English. That's why I am working on it.
Okay. Um, Anything else you want to share? Maybe
Anything
hobby?
else? For,
Hmm.
yeah, so I don't have a lot of much time for doing anything else. Just I just keep learning English
Hmm.
in mobile, and sometimes I like to read a book, a motivational book as well in English. So whatever I do, if I read book, I I read English book, and whenever I watch something on mobile on news, it's total in English.
Yeah, I think that's a great way to learn though, the language. I always recommend that to the people I meet here on Cambly is that, if you want to improve, but the time that you have to speak English isn't enough, you can always just consume like English media, English content. It's really big factor, I think. So you're on the right track.
Yeah. So I would like to know about yourself little bit
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, I'm Jen. I'm from the Philippines. I was born and raised here. I'm half American, half Filipino, which is why
because your father were from maybe Philippines or mother from US.
uh, my father is from the US. My mother is from
Okay.
the Philippines. Yeah. So having an American father, we grew up speaking English at home, and it's still my native language despite living in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm 27 years old.
Same
Uh,
here.
really? You're 27?
Yeah.
Okay, 1996 babies. Let's go. um, So yeah, I work here on Cambly part-time. I don't have a full-time job. Um, yeah, I don't think if I want one, I think I would rather have two part-time jobs. Um, because I think it would be a lot more fitted to my lifestyle. Um, yeah, what else? As for my hobbies, I like music. Um, I like to go hiking. And cooking. Yeah. What about you? Like what keeps you busy nowadays?
Yeah. So I listen music while workout, and
Mhm.
I don't know how to cook food,
Mhm.
so I don't know at all. Even I don't know how to prepare tea. Even I don't know about how to prepare tea, so I am not interested in cooking.
Mhm.
Yeah. So right now I just completed my study, so I just focusing on learning English. and when I be very good and fluent and good grammarian, after that I would like to teach. Yeah,
Teach English?
yeah,
Okay, to like younger students or older, like around what demographic would you be teaching?
yeah. For younger and adult, because I am preparing like that I could teach to everyone.
Okay. Did you study education or did you just study English?
Yeah, I just studied English from the beginning. That's
Hmm.
why I am interested in it.
Okay, okay. Awesome. Did you just finish your postgraduate
Yeah,
degree? Okay. How long ago?
almost before 2 years, I think.
Okay, okay. And what kind of do you work now?
Uh, I don't working right now. I just do farming in my village.
Okay. What I mean, I think farming is really noble, and I mean, honestly, like I would love to have a farm and just chill out in my farm, you know? Live the simple life as long as I have internet. Um
Yeah,
yeah,
I like.
yeah, it's like early retirement, you know? um but what do you like what are your crops or what products are in your farm?
So right now, peas is being harvested in our field, and the
Beans?
peas
Peas, okay.
and the wheat crop is about to harvest. I think after a month. But I I like farming a lot because doing farming it feels like we always be among the nature.
Right.
Yeah,
Awesome. Do you have any pets?
yeah. I have a cow and his calf.
Oh, what's your cow's name?
I don't
You don't.
give any name to our cow, but
Okay.
many tutor ask me about his name.
Maybe you should give him a name.
Yeah, I will think.
Yeah. I would love to have like a pet carabao, to be honest. I think they're adorable and I don't know, it's just such a huge animal yet so friendly. I have a cat who's on my lap right now. He's in a very playful mood. So he's
Wow,
biting me. Oh, okay. So this is him.
wow, it's nice.
Yeah, this is Rocco. Rocco, look into the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, he wants to play.
Right
So
now, you are gonna sleep, I think.
what?
You are gonna sleep right now.
No, no, no. Do I look sleepy?
Yeah, little bit, I think.
Actually, I just woke up like an hour ago. So maybe that's why.
Yeah, I also woke up before an hour, and
Okay,
that's
what?
why I feel like,
Hmm. Go ahead, sorry.
yeah. So, in the morning, if you woke up and you start speaking, so your voice is a little bit awkward, I think.
Yeah, yeah. My voice hasn't been at its best these days. I'm trying to quit vaping. Um that's really difficult.
Yeah, but your voice is perfect. I am talking about my voice.
Oh, no, because I also really like to sing. And I noticed these past days that like my chest feels a lot tighter. And I don't, it's definitely not a good thing. So it's just about quitting bad habits. Um, but yeah, it's difficult, no doubt.
Yeah, so I think quitting bad habit is very difficult, and making good habit is also difficult.
Yeah, yeah. Like um what are some of your good and bad habits? What would you say?
I would say that when it comes to purchasing books online, so
Mhm.
I purchase it very quickly, and I be very curious to when my book will reach at me. But after receiving that book, I just read 5 and 10 pages very quickly. After that, I feel bored, and it's I think it's my bad habit because I keen when I ordered it online, but
Mhm.
when it comes to reading, that time I keep procrastinating. So yeah,
Yeah, maybe you should buy a Kindle. Have you heard of I mean I think it's the same thing. You would still have to purchase the books. Um yeah, like what kind of books do you like to read?
yeah. Right now I am reading the world's top seller book. Do you know any book?
Well, I've been reading a book called Still Life with Woodpecker. It's a he's an author from the 80s, so it's not anything new, but I find his writing to be really quirky and creative and just very imaginative. Um, his name is Tom Robbins, and yeah, I've read one of his books before, which I really enjoyed. So I think I'm gonna keep reading his books until there's nothing else to read, and maybe I find something else. Yeah,
Yeah. So right now I am reading book named Atomic Habit because
self help. Yeah.
yeah, by procrastinating, I sometimes feel very exhausted that if I want to do a lot of things in my life and if I have a lot of in my bucket list, so why I am doing so? So first of all, I thought that I should know about practice and habit. Yeah. So I think habit is a very great role in our life. Is if we
Right.
always stick to good habit.
Yeah. Like, has the book changed you at all? Have you applied what you've been reading?
Yeah, I read every day at least 10 pages because when you get to know about any book, then you will become very interested when you get to know because I think book is a very big gem for our life.
Yeah, like books can really change you. Like just finding out new information, learning different opinions, and especially if you absorb it or give it the amount of attention that you do, I feel like it really does have the capacity to change people. But then again, it starts with you. Nothing will change if you don't make it happen. Um, so yeah, what are your plans for the rest of the day? Speaking of habits.
And the day I don't speak English, I speak just Hindi because our our coworker is not he don't know how to speak English.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. Well, I hope you have a great day, farming and reading and learning English through different mediums. Yeah, so, cheers to today. We both just sort of woke up, and I hope we make it full of good habits.
yeah,
Alrighty then. It was good talking to you, Brijesh.
yes,
Yeah, next
same here.
time maybe. Alrighty. Bye.
Bye.